comes offense on the field. Adelaide Liebler, number 9, running for the Tigers. They moved the ball to their own 47 now as the Tigers get ready to snap the ball. Number 11 running the ball after a handoff, Scott Burns for the Tigers.
Oh yeah!
Scott Burns once again running for Alcona. Scott Burns once again carrying the ball, number 11.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Bad snap, but it looks like Alcona keeps possession. So they'll lose it down on that one.
Good one.
Liebler, number 9, keeps the ball. 37-yard line.
Oh yeah.
Scott Burns carrying the ball.
Yeah.
Should be a first down. Brought down.
Yeah, there's a few of them that look a little off.
Fumble on the play. Ball's loose.
Yes.
Looks like it's recovered by number 2.
There you go.
Burns once again, number 11, running around the outside. Touchdown, Tigers. Scott Burns, number 11, with a long run. And extra points good by Scott Burns, number 11.
Yes.
Oh! Corey Fox running the ball, flags thrown. Mile. It's Wyatt Net, number 17, carrying the ball. Brought down by Scott Burns, number 11. Looks like number 7. Short pass to number 11, Scott Burns. Brought down by number 36 here on this side, Logan Fox. Liebler carrying the ball, quarterback kept it.
Oh yeah.
Good job playing to Burns.
Yes.
Should be enough for first down. Brought down by number.
Go Leibler.
Leibler keeps the ball. Number 9 carrying for Alcona.
Good job.
Brought down once again by Noah.
Run.
Scott Burns running around.
Yeah.
Touchdown, Tigers. Scott Burns scores again. Burns gets shut down this time. Extra point, no good. 10. Wyatt Net, number 17, run.
Oh, I've seen those
36. The quarterback makes a pass, complete.
This is the one that made the touchdown.
Okay, yeah, Luke 17.
Yeah.
Oh, you know that.
Yeah, we got the score thingy, whatever you want to call it.
Austin Gould, number 45, running the ball.
It's cold.
Pass complete to Noah Bright, number 13. Touchdown, Mio. Pass complete. Number 17. It's number 9 carrying the ball for Alcona. The quarterback Leibler trying to make something happen.
Good job.
Second down and 1 for Alcona.
Oh.
Scott Burns once again running for Alcona, number 11. Gets the first.
Yeah, you should watch the snow. It's a Australian rules football. They have to run the balls are a similar shape.
Manuel running the ball, number 7 for.
I mean, some guys will wear a helmet or something, especially because they've got concussion protocols, you know, so you get those one.
Leibler keeps the ball, number 9's got it. Brought down by numbers. Leibler, the quarterback, keeps it. Makes third down play here for Alcona's offense. Leibler lets it fly, overthrows his target a little bit. Tigers go for it. They hand it off to number 11, Scott Burns. Burns is still on his feet. Mile ball, 1st and 10. Garrett Fox, number 19, running for Mile. Wyatt Knapp, number 17, is going to get run down by one of the Tigers.
Yeah!
Brought down by Scott Burns, number 11. Wyatt, first and 10 from Alcona 13.
Yeah!
Garrett Fox, 19, running for Mile. Scott Burns, number 11, made the tackle for the Tigers. Second down play here for Mile's offense. Pass almost intercepted by Mile.
4.
Pass incomplete. Fourth down and 10 for Mile. Timeout called by Mile. All right, fourth down play here for Mile.
They're going to go for the pass again. Oh. Scotty almost.
Pass incomplete. Broken up by Alcona's defense. Scott Burns once again running, number 11. Fumble. It looks like Mile may have recovered though.
Passing.
Pass complete to number 17.
No, pass interference is a bad thing.
Pass caught, intercepted by Corey Fox, number 4 for Mile. Pass complete, it looks like, to number 45. Almost there. Pass incomplete. It's Wyatt Knapp, number 17. Runner for Mile gets the first down. Pass is complete, it looks like. That's no line there. Wow, ball, first and 10. Pass is complete to number 45. Touchdown, Mio. Awesome. Extra points good. Scott Burns running the ball, number 11. Trying to break a couple tackles. Should be a first down. Flags thrown at the last. Put the ball back on the 36-yard line of Alcona.
he was down.
Liebler gets tackled for Alcona from the 30-yard line. Burns, once again, number 11. Looks like he made it back to the original line of scrimmage. All right, 3rd down and 10 for Alcona. Lieber's trying to find a way to get rid of that.
Yeah.
Picks up 5 yards. 5.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Burns gets a call. Should be okay. He's got a 1st down if it sticks. Brought down by Corey Fox, number 4. 1st and 10 from their own 40. Quarterback number 35, tackled by Alcona.
Henry. Miles going to the right, we're going to the left. Well, they change it all the time.
Wyatt Net.
I guess.
I know. Oh, fumble! Yes!
Fumble. Looks like Alcona may have recovered.
Yeah!
The game. Says, I don't play guerrilla warfare, I just drop the ball. Boom. There you go, I won.
Scott Burns, number 11, carrying for Alcona. Scott Burns, once again, running the ball, number 11. Tripped up by number 36, Logan Fox. Burns, once again, running for Alcona. Tripped up this time by number 12, Josh Menard.
Uh-oh.
Yard line. Grady Goddard. Quarterback keeper trying to get something going here. Liebler gets a.
Oh, there we go.
Grady Goddard, once again, number 1, carrying.
That was 3 plays, by the way.
Liebler can't get it away. Pass complete. Fumble in the backfield. That was Austin Gould carrying the ball. We'll see who comes up with it. Alcona.
Yeah!
Looks like 62. Ryan Bartz once.
I've never really
Goddard carrying the ball, number 1.
Ow!
Gets hit just at 47.
He was on break. A minute?
Liebler, quarterback.
Oh!
Intercepted in the air. A number 50. Kind of a bad snap, but recovers. Gould gets pulled out of bounds. Gets pulled out of bounds by number 7 from Alcona. Pass complete to number 4. Touch. Gould gets it this time. Number 45, the receiver for the offense on the Alcona offense on the field. Scott Burns running the ball again. Number 11 breaks tackle. Looks like he got to outrun one of the defenders from Mio, and he does. No flags, touchdown, Tigers.
Come on. Yes.
And Burns gets some extra points after his touchdown.
Touch him.
Mile pass complete to number 13, Noah Borite.
Where'd she go, Derek?
Complete once again, this time to Noah Borite again. He's still on his feet.
Now he's out of bounds.
Now that's a good effort by running back, receiver right there. Another first down play here for Mio. Flags thrown.
And he passes. Oh.
Passing complete.
Already set up. And then we got the fucking yard shit we're doing. Not to mention whatever parts come over.
Ouch.
Leavler. All right, the center, Healy, set to snap the ball for Alcona. Scott Burns running, breaks free. Gould's got to try and catch him. Yeah! Gould misses his leg. Touchdown, Scott Burns, number 11 for Alcona. We do have a flag, sorry.
Yeah, I mean, he probably would have dragged her with him.
Burns is going to try it again, but this time gets tripped up.
Yep, I'm going to try it again.
Bad snap. Fourth down play here for Alcona.
Love the way her legs are looking. I know, right?
Yeah!
Pass complete to number 4.
Good
Lachlan
job!
Gordy, the receiver.
Oh.
30-yard line now. Second down and a long 10.
Go, 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 go!
Liebler keeps it.
Good job!
Alcona from about the 8. They give it to Burns once again. The 7. Liebler keeps it himself. Picks up a little. Bad snap, but Alcona keeps it, it looks like. 9-10. Another bad snap. And he's down. Passing time. Pass complete. Nice throw. That is Noah Borite, number 13. He scored earlier in the game. Nice run by. Setting up for the extra point here. And it's intercepted. Pass intended for number 14, it looked like.
Let's see what we can.
Burns, number 11, running for Alcona. Brought down by number 36. Logan Fox. 10. Bad snap. Liebler picks it up, trying to make something happen out of it. Still on his feet.
That's right, run to the outside.
Liebler breaks the tackle, 2 tackles.
That's why I got.
Oh, another bad snap. Oh.
Another bad snap. Liebler tries to recover. Another complete pass for Mio. Second down play here for Mio. That's Noah Borite, number 13, running for Mio. Brought down by Liebler, number 19. Oop. That'll be offsides. Corey Fox runs it in. Touchdown, Mio. I'm going for the extra points here. And I don't think that was the intended receiver, but receiver number 3. First and 10, Alcona here.
Ouch.
Grady Gunner, number. Liebler, the quarterback, keeps it. Runs